All right, it's Thursday, July 20th. This is a morning SPY update, just about an hour into trading. You can see the SPY's heading lower. I actually had some SPY puts. I didn't post it yesterday. It was very end of the day after on the daily chart, after seeing this reversal bar, anticipating the low taken out with this fair value gap. I discussed that on the recap video. I bought some puts here in one of my accounts, the 455 puts. They're at 227 now, up 73 cents. So I've been short the puts or long the puts, looking for the market to go down. If you didn't have a position coming into today, then the trade today, this opening price, you can see the pre-market range was below the midpoint of the prior day. First bar went up just to take out some stops here. And then you had the key thing was this failure bar or this little red bar on bar number 2. I think it would have been a good sell to sell here on bar 3, anticipating the lows of the day taken out and the pre-market lows. You had a nice double bottom here. You kind of look like, after yesterday's failure, pause day, holding the midpoint of that day, you're looking for it to take out those lows, work into like I said, a big fair value gap, which is down here. The lows of it is all the way to 452 area. So now as the market comes down, you took out its first target. This could have been a good base hit gain if you wanted to do that. If it just can't really rally from here after taking out this liquidity, then we could be heading a lot lower. You can kind of see a pivot machine gun here on the 15-minute chart. We can really be building some momentum to take out, and there's a lot of gaps along the way. I don't know what's going to really unfold today, but we got the red day forming. As long as we stay kind of below the open and continue, past this blue line, which is the intraday lows and that target, then we could be heading down to really fill this gap. Who knows, maybe we get the 2 down day and the target's all the way down here below the gap, starting to the 450 area, and then we'll see what kind of red bar forms. If it stays red, then we could be maybe failing on this week as well. So a lot's going to depend on how today closes. If it just wants to hold in here, then maybe we're just pausing with the overall uptrend. If it gets a big red bar, then maybe we're getting a bit of a pullback on the weekly chart. So, coming into tomorrow. So we'll find that out. Again, you don't know for sure, but there was a good short trade today here. Puts I bought, towards the close yesterday are doing well, and just thought I'd shoot a morning update. Looks like we are breaking through this level. So now you're expecting this gap kind of to be filled as a target, and we'll see if that, doesn't really give you any kind of a big rebound, then we could be taking out the lows of Tuesday as well. So we'll look for now. If this continues, kind of one big push down, we'll see where the 15-minute bar takes us, an orderly pause, and then a second push, kind of get a nice directional day if that's what wants to happen on the downside today. So let's see how much weakness unfolds here in the market as the morning and the afternoon moves on.